Welcome to Rubaru Season 1 in conversation with Mandira Bedi in association with Stars of India, powered by International Glory Awards 2025. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं मंदिरा बेदी, आपकी साथी, आपकी होस्ट। लाई हूं एक नया सफर, एक नई दास्तान, जहां हर मुलाकात है एक रोशनी की पहचान। रूबरू, एक मंच, एक जज्बा, जहां बातें होती हैं दिल से, बिना किसी नकाब के, जहां मिलते हैं उन लोगों से जो हर कदम पे लिखते हैं अपने इरादे से तकदीर के नक्शे, वो चाहे कला के हो सिपाही या व्यापार के युग पुरुष, इनोवेशन के युग के सारथी या समाज में बदलाव लाने वाले फरिश्ते। इंटरनेशनल ग्लोरी अवार्ड्स 2025 के साथ स्टार्स ऑफ इंडिया मीडिया के इस सम्मान में हम दे रहे हैं उन कहानियों को आवाज जो अक्सर चुप रहती हैं, लेकिन उनका प्रभाव अमर होता है, खास। ये सिर्फ सवालों का सिलसिला नहीं, ये है एक मकसद, एक सोच, जहां बातचीत होती है खुली किताबों जैसे और हर अनुभव बन जाता है एक सीख, एक रोश। तो चलिए जुड़ते हैं रूबरू में, जहां हर मेहमान की कहानी है एक गीत, जिसका हर सुर संघर्ष, सफर और साहस से मिलकर बनता है, जहां हर कॉन्वर्सेशन छोड़ जाता है एक नई सोच, एक नई दिशा, एक नया उजाला। ये है रूबरू, जहां मिलते हैं दिल से, बिन झिझक, बिन झूठ, सिर्फ सच के साथ। Today, the pursuit of beauty and wellness goes far beyond creams and cosmetics. It's about understanding your skin, your body, and the science behind it all. From advanced treatments to trends to holistic care, the world of aesthetic dermatology is evolving rapidly. Joining me today is an inspiring woman who is redefining skincare in India. The founder of Ageology, one of North India's most trusted skin clinics, Dr. Sukhsagar Rathore. Welcome to Rubaru Season 1.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, you have a lovely long name. People call you what for short?
So people call me Sukh
Okay.
in pursuit of happiness.
And a lot of people receive Sukh after meeting you.
Yes,
So that's lovely.
That's right.
You know, these days it feels like everyone on Instagram is offering skin treatments or, glow up products. With so many options out there, how do you know who to trust? And why is it so important to go to a qualified doctor instead of trying, whatever's trending?
Yes. So first of all, thank you so much, and introducing myself in front of one of epitomes of beauty is of course an honor for me.
Oh, thank you.
And yes, it is very so. This field is my passion, and I want to always educate people that skin is the largest organ of our body, and this is what makes us look what we are. And this is of course the most ignored organ also. Because the thing is, there is so much available on internet these days. Everybody is talking about skin, everybody is talking about foods, health, so it is very difficult to know what to like. Some people say eat
Who do you
egg.
trust?
Yes, some people say eat egg and some people say don't, so it is very difficult. Now the thing is that it is important that you see a specialist, somebody who's experienced in this field, because what happens, हर कोई अच्छा दिखना चाहता है,
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन because of this misinformation we cannot achieve those beauty goals even after wasting so much of money. And I work a lot in Punjabi film industry, and people follow you people for their I mean what you do, they follow that.
That's
So
right.
I've seen looking at the industry, the celebrities, they don't take their skin lightly. I mean, they will not go to anybody randomly.
That's
so
right.
I want the people also to follow the same.
Correct. But since you talked about food, what are the 3 best foods for skin?
Proteins, and proteins.
So do eat the eggs, that means.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
आपकी क्लिनिक में एमफेस, मॉर्फिस 8, स्टेम सेल फेशियल्स, ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट्स तो हैं ही, लेकिन आप स्पेशली जाने जाते हैं फॉर फिलर्स, लिप फिलर्स। इंडिया के कोने कोने से लोग आपके पास आते हैं फॉर फिलर्स। तो लिप फिलर्स के रिजल्ट्स को नेचुरल कैसे रखा जाता है? बिकॉज यू नो वेरी ऑफन जब आप किसी को देखते हैं, दिस पर्सन हैज हैड फिलर्स, इट्स गॉट टू बी डन नेचुरली. हाउ डू यू कीप इट नेचुरल? और लिप फिलर्स को लेकर मिसकंसेप्शंस क्या हैं?
So, I feel lip fillers is the single most key to enhancing your beauty. So, when I talk about lip fillers, most of the people think about duck lips. So, I want to break this misconception.
जी.
So, we enhance something which you already have. So, it's not just about it's a fad that I need to get good lips. It's about there are some women, they have very thin lips, or their smile is little asymmetrical, which makes them feel underconfident. And with that just half an hour of treatment, it changes the entire look, entire way you look, entire way you feel. And I've seen suddenly people feel much more confident about that one procedure. So that's
But a lot of
why-
people also go overboard. So how do you stop them from going overboard? Because very often उनको और लगाओ और मोटे बनाओ में duck lips like you talk about.
Yes, so I do get a lot of patients like that, and my thing is, yes, I say no to them. Of course, I explain everything, and eventually, when they don't listen, I say no to them. So because yes, it's about enhancing your natural beauty.
Yes.
होता क्या है कि हम उन fillers को देखते हैं which are bad jobs. Good jobs, fillers, everybody is walking around us,
Yes.
and we say, oh wow, they look beautiful, but we never say, but if it's a bad job, we say, oh, these are fillers.
Yes.
So that is the myth I
The
would
key
like
is to make it look
Yes,
natural, and a lot of people are walking around us with
Yes.
fillers, but very
Yes.
naturally done.
Right.
सिंगल मॉम होते हुए आपने एजोलॉजी जैसा क्लिनिक खुद बिल्ड किया है, ऐसे में आप महिलाओं को क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं as far as pursuing their dreams and going after their goals? Just this is my last question to you, but give us an inspiring note.
So yes, I started agiology about 6-7 years back, and that is the time when I got separated. So life is difficult at that point of time. In our field, there's a lot of finances involved because अगर अच्छा clinic set up करना है, you need a lot of good laser machines and all. Having a good team, having a strong foundation, accounts, there is a lot of work, of course. And the point is, as a parent, as a single mother, whatever you do, that reflects on your child. So I've been able to manage work very well, and my son is also doing MBBS, so I've been able to manage both the
wow.
fields well.
I have to tell you, you don't look like the mom of a son who's doing his MBBS. You look like the mom of a little of little children. But
Yeah, I got married very young actually. I was 20 years of age when I got married. So like I said, I'm very passionate about my work. I started falling in love with myself eventually after doing all this. And why I feel that every woman should look good. And I try to make sure that she looks good, because what I feel that, of course, even if you look good, it's not that your problems decrease. But when you face yourself, you look in the mirror, you can face the problems more gracefully. So that is what I feel like. Every morning, get up, be strong, and just push it and look beautiful.
that's such a lovely thought. Also, when you look good, you can exude a different kind of confidence, and with confidence, the sky's the limit.
Takes you places.
But thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Sukhsagar, for joining us today, sharing your journey, your expertise. It was a small little interview, but there was a lot to learn. You've shown us that skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident, empowered, and adopting innovation. To all our viewers and listeners, remember, true beauty begins with self-care and awareness. Stay beautiful, stay informed, and stay tuned to Rubaru Season 1.